Mobile malware on steroids. We just reached an interesting mark with mobile Android malware. We now have 1 million unique mobile malware and high-risk apps in our database. Digital code which users should not have on their smartphones. Okay, some people now will immediately scream and shout and state, where's the problem? There are over 200,000 unique malicious Windows malware samples every day. Good point. But to understand trending and the future, we need to look at history. It took PC-based malware 18 years to reach the 1 million mark, while it was just 5 years for Android. And it is important that we highlight how the digital underground works. We at Trend Micro don't fight against the competition, but against cybercriminals. This explains our involvement with Interpol, Europol and local law enforcement. And part of our duty is to highlight security risks. So when we made a prediction that there will be 125,000 mobile malware in 2030, we made the prediction in November 2012, by the way. We got a lot of heat. We have been called charlatans and scammers. And we have been wrong. It was 350,000. This million now is no surprise for us. It is a surprise that it happened. Not in December 2013 as predicted end of 2012, but now. So it's accelerating faster with the Android market share. 79% of all smartphones shipped are now Android. Almost 200 million new Android smartphones shipped per quarter. Unbelievable. And these devices change user behavior. Online banking, for example, is conducted with these devices, and the two-factor authentication methods introduced by the banks are falling apart. Users are so happy with the smartphones that they expect company email access onto these devices, no matter if the device is sending every email to a third party or not. We all need to be sensitive about this development. The operating system vendors need to stop the fragmentation of the market and need to find ways to issue security improvements and patches to all devices way faster. The smartphone vendors need to stop to play with the open source operating system and alter it as they need. The toll is high. A lot of devices are out there which will not see important updates. It's shocking that Android 2.3 being released in 2010 still has 30% market share. Highlighting this 1 million mark for us is not about selling more security products. It should be seen as a wake-up call to create safer ecosystems. My hope is that we need to spend less time on Android security, but could focus on the next big battlefield, to protect the Internet of Everything.